to my YouTube channel, Dreams Unlimited. This really helped me to get a scholarship in Ireland. And if you want to know what was that, so please watch this video till the end. Because they want to know more about you. They want to know the different traits of a personality. And that's why scholarship is for everybody. So in today's video, we're going to discuss it. How can you get a scholarship? Different ways you can get a scholarship and how to write your scholarship letter. So please watch this video till the end because this is a really important video. So in today's video, we're going to discuss how to write your scholarship letter. And if you are liking my content, please don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share these videos with your fellow friends. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. But before that, I need you to understand that why countries give scholarship, why college gives scholarship. People from difficult background or from humble background, but also they want assets for their country or they want asset for their college. They want those students who after becoming alumni can actually bring laurels to the college. Now let's take the example of Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft. He did his bachelor's from Manipal University in India. Now whenever the name of the Manipal University comes up, the first person who everyone speaks about is Satya Nadella. So you are seeing that he's an alumni and he's bringing so much glory to that college from whom he passed out in 1990 across. So you are seeing the connection that he is bringing so much glory to that college. So the college is always looking for those talented people who can bring goodwill to the college. You have to look for the kind of scholarship which suits you. They can't be a scholarship which is based upon your economic status, or might be a sports scholarship, or it can be a journal scholarship. So I would suggest that apply for all these scholarships, because the more you apply, that will increase your chances of getting a scholarship. Now comes the famous question, what to write in your scholarship letter? Well, what I personally did was that I really want to start with some quotation, some motivational quotation which actually aligns with your interest, which is actually the soul of your whole letter. I remember a quote which I wrote in my scholarship letter, which started with, "It always seems impossible until it's done." Well, me being from a business family, IT was a distant dream, but I always thought of me being an engineer and bringing a change in the world with the help of technology. So guys, you're seeing it, that what I have done, I'm actually giving a hint of my background and what I aspire to in just 2 lines. So guys, the trick is the moment the examiner actually sees your letter, he or she should feel like, oh yeah, I'm gonna read it, because you have only 2 minutes. Yes guys, they don't waste more than 2 minutes in reading your letter. If they find it's not good, or if they find it not that interesting, they are not going to read it further. So you have only 2 minutes to grab their attention. So always always have a startling start, a start which compels them to read the whole letter. Also guys, as I told, that some scholarships are there which are given on the financial background. So you can tell about your financial condition. You can tell about your, like there is someone ill in your family, and because of that, lot of finances or lot of amount of money is being used for that thing, and so you do not have that much money. There's a money crunch. And also you can speak about that, there is only one breadwinner in your family, and your family is huge, and you come from that background, third world country might be. So these kind of things, we sometimes feel ashamed of that we shouldn't tell, but you have to remember that this kind of scholarship is given on a lot of parameters. It's not only about your skill, but it's also about the needy one. So you have to tell them that you really need it, and along with that, you need to tell them your skill. What is the offering you are doing to them if they give you the scholarship. So it's a two-way process. You have to tell them everything and you have to be really open and honest with them. You should let the scholarship committee know about your financial condition so that they can take into that thing into consideration. Now guys, the next part is about your career goals. Like if you want to be a data scientist, I know that most of you want to be a data scientist in Ireland, so you need to tell them that what is your vision. If you are if you become a data scientist, then what are the things or what are the changes you can bring to the society. Guys, I still profoundly remember that what I wrote regarding my career goals in my scholarship letter. As I wanted to be a data scientist, I wrote to them that I'm really stunned by what machine learning and data science can do in the field of medical. Imagine there is a doctor who is doing an operation. He has a limited knowledge. Although there are his subordinates, but then that's also a limited knowledge. Now, if he is stuck at somewhere, he has to take a decision that whether he has to stuck that nerve or not. At that time, there is a machine learning algorithm which is running, and similar kind of operation has been performed across the globe. So he can take it as a reference, or he can see that which cord he should pull. So guys, you're seeing that that's bringing a social change into the society. Well, this is not a machine learning class I'm giving you, but are you getting the essence? The essence is to actually make the examiner connect with you. He should actually feel like that, okay, this girl or this guy really wants to bring some change into the society, and this person deserves a scholarship. So your scholarship letter it should be that good. I would advise you to keep on writing it. The scholarship dates might be yet to come, but you have to keep on writing it again and again. So you have to refine it every time. So do it right away only. Start writing it right now, so that at the last moment you are not stuck with, oh, I have a day or two only what to write. But you have to keep on improving it. Do not write your SOP or your scholarship letter in a hurry. Take your time, ask your friends or family to read it for you, or you read it yourself, because sometimes what happens is that we feel like, oh, we have written it in a best manner, there is no improvement. But if you ask somebody to read it, then they will be coming up with your mistakes, and they will ask you to improve. So keep on review yourself, rereading it, rewriting it, and try to make it better from the last time. Coming to my next tip is, you have to tell in your scholarship letter that what have you done till now to achieve your goal. Like if you want to be a data scientist, tell them that you have done few courses, you have your own project which you build, or these are your vision. Even though if you are not building anything or you have not built anything, tell them your vision. Tell them that you are enthusiastic, you were so busy with other stuff, but you really want to do something, and this is your plan. So tell them that you are actively seeking knowledge, and you are continuously working upon yourself, so that once you come to Ireland, you can offer so much to the country and to the college. So guys, in this section, you have to tell them about your achievements. Like if you have written some research paper, you have won some patent, or you have done some project, you have done some open source projects. So you have to tell them that what are the kind of work you are doing, so that they can know that apart from your academics, or even if you have some kind of experience, what else you were doing, the things which normally people don't do. That will actually differentiate you from the rest of the people. Not many people actually invest their time after work, and if they are students, they are only confined to their studies. So tell them the things which actually differentiate you from rest of the crowd. Scholarship is all about shining in the crowd. So guys, you need to tell them about the traits of a personality. Like tell them if you are active in sports, tell them about your prestigious awards or certifications you have done. Might be you have represented your college or your country into some level, national level. Tell them, might be that that thing will not be in align with your field. Like you want to be a data scientist or into marketing, and you have won the award in chess, but that doesn't matter. That actually shows your different aspects of your personality. That's showing you that apart from your studies, apart from your work, you are active into some other fields as well. You are a person who has a dynamic personality. So that's what they are looking. Again, they are looking for a wholesome experience, the person who has a complete experience. Also guys, try to be humble in your letter. You're not entitled, but you are requesting them. You are telling them that you need it. It's not that you don't deserve it, but you are actually humbly telling them, these are my personality traits and this is what I can offer, and I'm asking you for the scholarship. So yes, that's the essence should be like that. Also guys, it would be nice if you can tell them your role model or someone which actually motivated you for the college or for applying to that field. For example, you can speak about Elon Musk. You want to be Elon Musk and you want to make up autonomous cars or stuff like that. You can speak about also you can talk about your volunteer work, guys. Indians, we usually undermine that thing, but that also gives you a different edge, because again, here in Ireland, they really respect those people who do volunteer work. So if you are associated with some organization in India or in other part of the world, do mention that, because that will show your different part of the personality, like you are humble, you are kind. So the idea is to show different parts of your personality. You need to be good at your skill, whether it's marketing, finance or IT. You need to be smart, tell them the awards you have won, and tell your humble side, and tell them about your aspirations, and also tell them the things which you are going to do for the college or for the country once you come to that country. You can speak about that, if given an opportunity, you would be representing that college at various platforms. Tell them what glory are you going to bring to that country or to that college. Also, do not get too technical. Means the thing is that do not use those terminologies which are not quite prevalent, because there are chances the person who is reading your letter might not be from your field. So that that will create a problem, because he won't understand what you're trying to say. Just keep it generic, keep it simple, but keep it really impressive and personal. Come up with the things which really stuck a chord with you, and which help you to shape the decision of doing masters in Ireland, of going to that college, stuff like that. Just I would say that just open up, but smartly. Yeah guys, that's what I want to speak about in this video, because a lot of you were asking me questions that how can you get a scholarship. There are a lot of ways, but the one thing I really want you to take from this video is, do not stop trying. Keep on trying. I have met a lot of people who are not A graders, who are not toppers, but they have got the scholarship. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are liking my work, again, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to make a video in some other topic, please tell me in the comment section below. I will definitely try to make that video on that topic. So till then, bye bye. And my drink is also saying bye bye. Destiny awaits, as I always say.